Inhaling those arms up. Exhale, heart center. Inhaling those arms up. Exhale, heart center. Inhaling those arms up. Exhaling, twisting to the left, placing that right on that left knee for a little support. And again, 3 good breaths here. On that 3rd breath, inhaling those arms up, exhaling, twisting to the right, taking that left hand, placing it on that right knee, twisting in on that exhale, taking 3 good breaths.
We were late just to arrive as the sun climbed through the sky. There's no need to explain these things.
On that 3rd breath, inhaling those arms up and exhaling, forward fold. Taking 3 good breaths here, again, allowing your head to be heavy. On that 3rd breath, walking those fingertips back up to center, extending those legs out. Extending those legs out. Feet are alive, flexed. We're going to inhale those arms up. Exhale, forward fold. 3 good breaths here. And on that 3rd breath, bring yourself back to center. We're going to take that right leg and we're going to bring it, our knee up, palms distance apart to our left. We're going to extend that left leg. Those feet are active and alive. We're going to take that right arm. We're going to inhale and exhale, wrapping it around, twisting to the left. Left foot is active and alive. Taking 3 good breaths here. Releasing that right arm, placing it down to the mat. Taking that left arm, extending it out. Inhaling and exhaling, wrapping it around that knee. Tenting those right hands behind you. Those feet are active and alive. Taking 3 good breaths, twisting into that exhale a little bit more. On that 3rd breath, releasing yourself back to center, dropping that right leg down so that foot's flush against inside that left leg. Torso twist. We're going to inhale those arms up and exhale, forward fold. Take 3 good breaths here. And on that 3rd breath, coming back to center, bringing both those legs out, extended. Feet are alive and flexed. Inhaling those arms up. Exhale, forward. 3 good breaths here. And on that 3rd breath, coming back to center. Taking that left leg, bringing it up, palms distance apart from that right. That right foot is active and alive. We're going to inhale that left hand and exhale, wrapping it around that crook of that knee, tenting those right fingers. Taking 3 good breaths, releasing into that exhale and that twist a little bit more. And on that 3rd breath, releasing it, coming back to center, taking that right hand, extending it out, taking an inhale, And then exhale, wrapping it around that left leg. Left fingers behind your back. And releasing into that twist a little bit more. Leave this time in town, home is now wherever I touch ground. And on that third breath, releasing those arms, bring those legs out extended. Inhale, those arms up. Exhale, forward fold. So I blast off searching for something more than my eyes can see. Say every time I touch ground, reality takes its toll on me. And on that third breath, coming to center, we are going to lay down on our mats, on our back. We're going to lie here, extend those legs out, and just breathe for a minute. Allow yourselves to melt into the mat. Bringing your feet, your knees up, feet down to the mat, arms out to a T. And let's just windshield wiper our legs back and forth, opening up that lower back. Inhaling and exhaling with purpose. Maybe closing your eyes, moving to the right, moving to the left. Well, every time I touch ground, reality takes its toll on me. Bringing your knees back to center. We're going to take our right leg and bring it over our left knee. This is half pigeon. If you're good, you can stay here. If you want to intensify that stretch, you can reach and thread those hands underneath that back left leg and grab a hold there. If you're good here, again, flexing that left and that right foot, they're alive. You can stay here. If you want to take it a notch higher and stretch it out a little more, reach up and over and grab the back half of that left leg. Again, those feet are alive, and take 3 good breaths wherever is comfortable for your body. On that third breath, releasing your hand, releasing your feet back down to the mat, maybe windshield wipering them again, back and forth a few times. To the left, to the right, taking some breaths. Coming back to center, setting up for the other side, taking that left foot, bringing it over that right knee, making a 4. Again, you can stay here if this is good for you. If you want, you can come up and thread underneath and grab the back of that right foot. Again, those feet are flexed and alive. If this is enough, stay here. If not, you can even come up and over and grab the right back of that calf. Again, feet are alive and flexed. Take 3 good breaths wherever's good for your body. On that third breath, releasing the foot down, releasing both of them down to the mat, arms out to a T, windshield wiper in those legs, back and forth. Coming back to stillness. You can set up for bridge pose. We're going to bring our fingertips to the backs of our heels if we can touch them. And you're going to take those hands and they're flat against that mat. Those feet are hip width distance. You're concentrating on pushing through that big toe and pushing away with the mat. So on our inhale, we're going to lift that pelvis up and take 3 good breaths. Inhale up, maybe rolling those shoulder blades a little bit underneath. Take 3 good breaths here, pushing away your big toe, keeping those knees splaying out. On that third breath, chin to chest, lowering down 1 vertebrae at a time. Bringing those knees to the chest for a squeeze. Give yourself a hug, give yourself a squeeze, maybe roll back and forth. side to side, massaging that lower back. We're going to set up for bridge again, bringing those feet down to the mat. If you can, touching those fingertips to the back of those heels. This time you can place your hands and keep them flat against your body, pushing away the mat, or you can clasp your hands underneath your back, rolling those shoulder blades underneath. We're going to take 3 good breaths. On our inhale, pelvis up, pushing away with our mat. Again, you can clasp those hands, roll those shoulder blades. Take 3 good breaths. On that 3rd breath, lowering down, chin to chest, 1 vertebrae at a time. Bringing those knees into the chest for a squeeze. Grabbing the insides of those feet, maybe grabbing the heels. You're pushing down and pushing up. So those hands are pushing those heels down, those heels are pushing up, those knees are coming into the body. This is happy baby. Really opening up those hips, maybe rolling back and forth, side to side on those blades, real slow. Releasing your hands down to the mat. We're going to rock and roll up 3 times to a seated position. Coming up to a seated position. Losing my microphone. Coming up to a seated position, coming up into a tabletop. Taking a cat-cow here, inhaling, gaze up. Exhaling, rounding that spine, pushing it all away. Take 2 more at your own pace. Inhale, exhale, rounding that spine.
Cause my story is long and I'm patient. I know that I have lessons to learn. Keep my eyes open each step I
Back to
turn.
center.
No need for me to feel alone.
We're going to flip those toes and kick those hips back up into a downward dog. Upside down check. Those fingers are spread wide, pressing against your mat.
And I know
Those
that I was born in
are planted
but I
hip
was
width
still
apart.
in a lion's den. Cause I know
Heels are
in my
trying to
heart
melt
I
into
am
that
one
mat.
of them.
If they don't, that's fine. You can
There
micro bend
lies
those
in the
knees as
facets
well.
of everything
Same
that we
stretch.
see.
Shake that head
Telling
yes,
us
shake
to
that head
be
no.
scared
Feel
when
the
all
tension.
we ever are is free.
Taking 3 good breaths here.
I'm letting go of the things that don't serve me no more. Cause I am holy and sacred and righteous and true, and I deserve to be here. And so
Walking our hands to the top of our, walking our feet, sorry, to the tops of our mats. Walking them to
I
our
deserve to
hands.
be here.
Allowing ourselves into a forward fold, into a rag doll. Grabbing opposite elbows,
transition,
opposite
constantly changing
hands.
vision. Story never
Some
certain,
breaths
there is
here.
always a revision to be made. When I think about the demons I have slayed, I
We're
am
gonna
not
take an
afraid of
inhale and
confrontation.
an exhale,
To the
twisting
people
right.
that see evil not as peaceful as I look, but a warrior at
Big
heart, so
breath
precaution
here.
must be took. But I'm trying to give in to the lessons that will soften my ways and things are changing. Cause I talk to spirit often. Tell me
Exhaling,
to stay
twisting to
sharp.
the left.
Tell me to stay
And
present.
bending
Tell
that
me to
right
ignore the
knee,
fools and
coming out
focus on the
lateral
simple.
to the
I said
left
I will
foot.
start my ego and I will remain strong. I will make mistakes and I will often be wrong. But I'm perfectly
Back to
imperfect and
center.
I'm only here to learn and know that
Releasing
even on the
those
path
arms
gets
again,
burned.
allowing
I
everything
said
to
I'm
be
perfectly
heavy.
imperfect and I'm only here to learn on all the evil on the
We're
path
gonna
gets
inhale,
burned.
half back, leading with our head and our heart.
There lies in the facets
Exhale,
of
forward
everything
fold.
that we see.
Inhale, root to
Telling us to
rise,
be
gaze up.
when all we ever are
Exhale,
is free.
forward fold, come right into it, all the way
Letting go
down.
of the things that
Inhale,
don't
half
serve me
back,
no
leading with that
more.
head and
'Cause
that
I am
heart.
holy and sacred and
Exhale,
righteous and
forward
true, and I
fold.
deserve to be here.
Inhale, root to rise, bend those knees, fingers are alive, heart's engaged. Exhale, coming into it, forward fold. Inhale, half back. Exhale, forward fold. We're gonna walk back into our downward dog. Taking a breath here.
The pressure always comes from me.
Again, those fingers are spread wide, pushing up against our mat.
This is my heart,
Feet are
my
hip
home,
width
my
apart.
choice, my
Toes
love,
are
my
spread
life, my
wide.
path,
We're
my
going to inhale the
voice.
balls of our
Feel my
feet.
heart grow with each
Exhale,
step. Stand firm
heel
and where the
over to
path
the
goes
right.
next. When I know that where it goes is where I
Take a
need
breath
to
here.
be. The more lessons rain down, more blessings I see.
Exhale.
Paralyzing the voices
Inhale,
of
balls of your feet,
everything that we
center.
see.
Exhale, over
Telling
to the
us
left.
to be scared. We know we
Taking a
have the
breath
heart
here.
is free. I'm letting go of the things that don't serve me.
Inhaling,
no
coming back
more.
to center.
'Cause I am holy and sacred.
Back
and
into your
righteous.
downward
I
dog.
deserve to be here, and so do you.
Walking those feet, back up to those hands again, in a ragdoll, allowing everything to be heavy. We're gonna inhale, half back, head and heart. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, root to rise, fingers are alive, engaged. Exhale, heart center. Okay, we're gonna shake it out a little bit. We're gonna do tree pose. So we're gonna ground ourselves into the earth. We're gonna ground that right foot into the earth. Maybe put our hands on our hips. We're gonna raise that left leg up in front of us and extend it over to the side and find your tree. You can put your tree on your ankle, your calf, or the inner side of your thigh, but do not put it on your joints. Find your tree and take 3 good breaths there. Heart center or raise those branches.
There's no words I can say that will deeply, truly compensate.
On that 3rd breath, exhaling to heart center, releasing that left foot, shaking those legs out, getting some energy through. We're gonna ground into that left foot. Again, finding your tree, maybe putting your hands on your hips, to the calf, above the joint, taking 3 good breaths there.
I recognize your strength, your confident style.
On that 3rd breath, releasing those hands down to heart center, releasing that right leg, shaking it out. We're gonna go into a wide fold, spreading those legs out. Put those hands on those hips. We're gonna inhale, opening up that heart, opening up that chest, opening up those chakras. Inhaling, that head's back. Exhaling, hinging at the hips. Forward fold. You can bring those hands down to the mat. If you can, put your crown down to the mat. Allowing yourself to just be heavy and take some breaths here. On that next breath, putting those hands on those hips. Coming up slowly, 1 vertebrae at a time. Now we're going to take those hands and we're going to clasp them behind our back. We're going to take a big inhale, opening up that heart, opening up that chest. We're going to take an exhale, forward fold. Again, allowing that head to be heavy. Taking some good breaths here, opening up those shoulder blades. On that 3rd breath, releasing those hands, coming up slow, 1 vertebrae at a time. Maybe putting hands on your hips. We're going to take that right foot and we're going to point it to the front of our mat. Straightening that right foot, we're coming out to a T with our arms. We're going to inhale and exhale, hinging to the right. Trikonasana, bringing that right hand down to the ankle, down to the mat, down to your foot to your knee, whichever's comfortable for you. Closing that right eye and looking up to make sure you see the thumb of your left finger. That's how you see if you're in line. So again, closing that right eye, looking up, making sure you see that left thumb. Take 3 good breaths here. If you want to open up that chest a little more, you can take the bind by taking that left hand and bringing it behind to reach for that right hip. Just opening up that chest a little bit more. Take 3 good breaths. And on that 3rd breath, lifting that arm to the sky, hinging yourself back up to center. Bringing those right feet in, taking that left foot out, pointed to the front of your mat. You're still in a T. You're going to inhale and exhale, hinge that body to the left. Again, guiding that left hand down, closing that left eye, looking at that right eye and that thumb, making sure you're lined up. Take 3 good breaths here. You want to open it up with the bind, taking that right arm and reaching for that left hip. Twisting that heart open to the sky. On that 3rd breath, lifting that right hand to the sky, hinging that body back up to center, bringing those toes forward, bringing those feet together, shaking it out. Come to the top of your mat. We're going to do a sun, inhaling those arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half back. Exhale, forward fold. We're going to take it back to a low plank. We're going to hold here for actually a high plank, sorry. And then we're going to lower down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right cheek is on the mat. Allow yourself just to melt into the mat. Switching your left cheek down to the mat. Third eye down to the mat, giving it a little massage, opening it up. Our feet are together. Our core is engaged. We're going to set up for locust. Our gaze is going to be down or forward. Our arms are to the sides. Our fingers, our core, our legs, our glutes, it's all going to be alive. We're going to take a big inhale and we're going to push with our pelvis. And again, everything is active and we're going to take 3 good breaths. Inhaling up. Just watching your body rise and fall on each inhale and exhale. On that 3rd breath, lowering yourself down to the mat, right cheek to the mat, melting in, rounding those shoulders. Taking a good breath here. Switching to your left cheek down to the mat. Again, shoulders are rounded, melting into the mat. We're going to set up and do it one more time. 3rd eye to the mat. You can clasp your hands this time. You can leave them to the side. Again, we're going to inhale. Get that pelvis up. 3 good breaths, watching that body rise and fall.
Took a bit and I breathed to show Avicii I was cool.
On that 3rd breath, lowering yourself down to the mat, your right cheek or left cheeks to the mat, whichever you prefer. Maybe lifting those feet up, windshield wipering those legs back and forth.
You don't wanna be high like me, never really know why like me. You don't ever want
Stand up into a tabletop. Taking a cat-cow here. And exhale, rounding that spine. Coming to stillness. We're going to come into a seated position. Inhaling those arms up. Exhale, heart center. Inhaling those arms up. Exhaling, twist to the right. Take 3 good breaths here. On that 3rd breath, inhaling those arms up. Exhaling to the left, using that right knee for a little support. On that 3rd breath, lifting those hands up, inhaling, exhaling, forward fold. On that 3rd breath, inhaling, walking those hands back to center, bringing those soles of the feet together to kiss, Baddha Konasana. Really opening up those hips, maybe give them a little flutter. Maybe grabbing those toes with those peace fingers. We're going to take a big inhale, and we're going to exhale, nose to toes. Take 3 good breaths here. And on that 3rd breath, bring yourself to center. Coming back into Supta Konasana. Soles of the feet are still kissing. You're down to the mat. Settling yourself, breathing. Putting one hand on your heart, one hand on your chest. Sorry, one hand on your belly, one hand on your heart. Take 3 good breaths together, taking an inhale and an exhale. Taking an inhale and an exhale. Extending your feet out. Hands can be on your sides, palms up to receive. If you have any kind of anxieties, you can ground your left hand to the earth, keeping the right palm open to receive. Closing your eyes, just breathing and relaxing, feeling the sensations of taking care of yourself and pressing pause. Settling for Shavasana. heart center, your eyes lowered or closed. Remembering that life is too short to wake up in the morning with regrets. So love the people who treat you right, forgive the ones who don't, and believe that everything happens for a reason. If you get the chance, take it. If it changes your life, let it. Nobody said it would be easy. They just promised it would be worth it. By Dr. Seuss. The love, light, and wonder in me honors the love, light, and wonder in all of you. Thank you so very much for practicing with me today. Namaste.
Namaste. Yay! Yoga time with Jessica. You're just tuned into Motivation Nation. Did not Moko.
Oh, look at Jordan.
I love Jordana, I know. Thank you. Thank you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Don't forget to log in Motivation Nation. Did not Moko every Wednesday and zoom.